wanted to buy rollers for my hair. The ones that I wanted to get would be like the regular perm rods, or maybe just like the rollers that have like the big hole in the middle and stuff like that. But I also wanted something that I could sleep with. So I found some sponge curl rollers. So as you can see, they vacuum sealed it. So I don't know if they're going to puff up to being the size that I expected them to be. I don't even remember what they are supposed to look like because I bought it a while ago. And I'm actually going to my best friend's birthday dinner tomorrow. So if I can have my hair in the curls that I think this is going to give me, that would be really nice. If not, I have faith that I can figure this out before tomorrow. And I'm going to be using my Elongating soft hooded hair dryer as well, so I can see the final product today and not have to wait until tomorrow to see the final product. Because I don't know if y'all be watching the other videos on the channel, I be failing sometimes, and I don't want this fail. Like, today is too close to tomorrow, so you know, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. I get so excited when I see stuff is vacuum sealed because I expect when I cut it open, I expect it to go like whoop, like, or I don't know what sounds better, but that's what I expect. You know, like the whole thing is just gonna puff up and it's gonna be magical and amazing. But that never happens. I don't feel anything expanding. Maybe it's a slow expansion. Lord, what did I do? Maybe it's stuck. I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, I should give you more information about the product. What am I doing? Can you throw my phone, please? Ha! I don't know how I bought this. I don't know what I thought it was gonna do. This is gonna be very interesting. This very well might be a fail video. So these are the models' hair. My hair not like that. I think I remember why I bought it, because I wanted to see if it would still work on my hair type anyways. We're gonna do it anyways. So essentially what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to just put my hair on it and roll it up, and it's supposed to be soft enough to sleep with. Like I said, one of the main reasons why I bought it, because I don't like having that bulky stuff on my head. And it came with 40 pieces, which I'm happy about. But I'm happy it came with so many because I want to have more control over how the curls look, as opposed to me trying to stuff a whole big piece on that. I wish that this was made out of satin instead of the material it feels like it's made out of. I feel like this is made out of some type of cotton. This says let your hair air dry to 80%, wrap hair in curlers, wait a few hours, and then go to bed. So a lot of white people using this. Okay. Found a black girl. She got permed hair, but she used it. Well, reading more information isn't really gonna help me now. I don't know. Should I want my hair? I want my hair just a tiny bit. I'm gonna add the gel in, and then I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer. That sounds like a good plan. Okay, so I got my spray bottle. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna kind of just dampen my hair and put it in sections, so it's already kind of prepared before I attempt to put the gel in. And my hair is very, very dry, so it's like I needed to do something to it today. So I'm like, I might as well, because if I could get the curls in my hair the way that I think I'm about to get them, that would be a really nice look. And this is the hair that we're starting off with. As you can see, my hair is very dry, very coily, and I'm not trying to make my hair wet. I'm just trying to make it more manageable. I'm trying to stretch it out, pre-stretch it out before I attempt to put it into the curl set. I was a firm non-believer in using water to style my hair, because I'm like, water's not gonna do nothing. It's just gonna make it wet. It's just gonna make it shrink. But I don't know. Water holds it down if you add other products to it, but don't just rely on the water itself to make your hair healthy or grow or anything like that. Note to self: don't record while Donovan is cutting up berries. He over there breaking glass in the oven.
Lunch.
It's funny funny. Donovan has been home for like the past week, and he did not touch me for 7 days out of the week that he's been home. So, want to throw that out there. No kissing, no hugging, no nothing. Up until yesterday. Huh? Some stuff, but you know, before that, it wasn't a lot of stuff going on. Wasn't any stuff going on. He put his shoe on me whenever I try to hug him.
You try to fuck me?
Huh?
You try to fuck me?
Whenever I try to hug you.
Oh, I'm like, okay.
That's strong language. This is also going to be a review. This is their Don't Shrink Flaxseeds Elongating Curling Gel. What got me to buy this was the fact that it said don't shrink. They knew who they was talking to. Whoever your marketing team is, y'all did a great job with that one, because my hair be shrinking. A lot of girls that have 4C hair be shrinking. So y'all got a gel that say don't shrink. I'm buying it. Opening it for the first time. And I was looking for a gel to use in my twist outs and stuff, because I don't put gel in my hair like ever. It smells good. Yeah, the only gel that I have in the house right now is Eco Styler gel, and I don't like using that gel for like twist outs and stuff like that, because I've always experienced flaking and stuff with it, so I'm not fond of that. Part of the reason why I probably experienced flaking and stuff is because I would use it with Cantu, and they're not compatible really. So that's probably most definitely my fault that would happen, but I don't care. So my hair is still damp. This section feels kind of dry. So I might spray it with a little bit, like a tiny bit more water. Here are my curl rods. I'm gonna do these in smaller sections, I guess. Being very careful not to rip my ends apart. Some of these did start to kind of puff up a little bit. So I'm getting some of this on Jackie's. It's my first time using Aunt Jackie's product, by the way. I thought they didn't work on 4C hair. I figured they were a product that would be better suited to someone that has a looser curl texture. My hair should already pretty much be detangled, but I just want this to come out like as smooth as possible, I guess. Put some extra on my ends, because my ends get very unruly. Lord, I feel like this probably would be better if I started it off on some blow dried or blown out hair, but we're gonna give it a try. Baby, it's you. I like how it stays very close to my scalp. That's a problem that I had with other hair curlers, where I felt like I couldn't get it up to the root like I wanted to. Like I want this to be like, I want the whole hair to be curled. I don't want you know, from like hair down to be good and then the rest to be like still in my regular curl texture. So I love the fact that this is very soft. There's a wire in here, so you can maneuver it to wherever you want it to go, and I could definitely see myself sleeping on this. I'm actually watching an Alyssa Ashley video, so I'm gonna just keep watching that while I do my hair.
Wait, there's no second chance. We messed it up, torn apart in every way. Ruined the romance in a slow-mo dance. Now we're going under. We're sitting out finally. Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. I look like somebody's grandma, but this is how the hair is looking.
I'm gonna sit under the dryer because I want all of this to dry today. I have my Elongating bonnet hood dryer that I'm gonna be using again. Since my curlers are in the front of my hair, I'm not gonna use the towel protector thing.
Living up life too quick, right around my new shit. Lemonade my cognac, hitters in my contact. Live it up life too quick.
Alright, so I just finished my makeup. This is not, bro, when I tell you I need a new tripod stand, I need a new everything. Alright, now that I did that, let's take out the first one. I'm about to say abort mission. It's not dry. It's not dry. Okay, so I'm finally gonna take out these rollers. I actually fell asleep with the hair bonnet on after I did my makeup, so I just woke up. Okay. Feels dry. There we go. You see this though? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the rest. I believe I have 27 in my hair. This one is still damp. I feel it. I'm going to take them all out. We'll just risk it all.
Smarter than she thinking, way cooler than your last man. Came to leave some blunt guts and rubbers in your trash can. I've been through since yesterday, a clock, little bitch, I'm on one. Stacking paper like I'm trying to take it on the long run. Think I'm on the road like butter, baby, land a lake. I'm like motherfucker, government, a hater and a jakes. I've been off the antidote, I got no time to annotate. Got a feeling choosy, I think I'm the greatest candidate. Living up life too quick, right around my new shit. Lemonade my cognac, hitters in my contact. Live it up life too quick, right around my new shit. Lemonade my cognac, hitters in my contact.
So now I'm gonna go in the bathroom and try to separate them. Let's try to separate them.
Lemonade my cognac, hitters in my
Like I said, my hair is still very wet. I'm just gonna retwist all my hair just so I can make sure that I'm not looking crazy for the dinner tomorrow. But I see the vision, y'all. I see the vision. This is totally my fault why this is a fail. So I am not gonna blame this on the product at all. I'm surprised that some of the curls even came out the way that it did. So I'm gonna have to try this again. I shouldn't have tried to do this right before I have somewhere to be. And I think I put too much water in my hair. It was supposed to be damp. Honestly, I might not have to have I didn't have to put that much water in my hair. I'm pretty sure that's a big part of it too. But you see the vision, right? You see it would have been popping. It would have been popping. Some of the curls are still trying to show through. I'm about to just put my hair in twist while it's still wet from the product so that I don't have to completely do my hair over for tomorrow.
This fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over.
So far, I think I like the gel though. There's no flakes in here, and I put a lot. My hair isn't white. It's not flaky. I totally forgot to film an outro for this, so this is the end of this video. I twisted my hair, and if you want to see how this style came out, stay tuned for the next vlog that I post, which is me going to my best friend's birthday party. So yeah.
Top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the They itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman.